What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab after a long vacation. We're back. We got a lot more reviews for you guys coming up in the very near future, so make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you smash that subscribe button so that way you keep it locked and you know exactly when the brand new content is coming out. This right here is the Denon DJ Prime 4 system, the standalone system that's been out for about a year or so now. We looked at this at the DJ Expo in Atlantic City. We also looked at this and did a rundown at the NAMM show, so we're pretty familiar with this bad boy. We've used it before for a different party, and now we have our very own brand new unit here in the lab, and we're going to unbox this, give you a quick first impressions video, and then we're going to have the full out review video within the next couple of weeks. We know a lot about this controller. I'm sure if you're here now, you've seen other reviews already on the Prime 4, but you know, we here at DJBooth.net like to tick all of our boxes and just make sure that we have all of our reviews out there, so that way we can compare different products to one another when we're reviewing all types of other gear from different manufacturers. So without further ado, it's the Denon DJ Prime 4. It's a really huge box, as you guys can see. Cool packaging material. And we're just going to see exactly what we have inside the box. First thing you get inside the box is a cool gloss folder or a cool gloss poster that says Denon DJ Prime series on it. Alright, the next thing we're getting here is a power cable. This is your standard power cable with the 3 prongs that you can plug into your wall socket. The next thing we're getting in here is a nice little packet. Inside this packet looks like you have a quick start guide. It also contains some cables, so we'll open it up and see what cables we get. We're getting a USB cable. We're also getting a few extra screws. Get a nice felt cloth so that way you can remove the dust and debris from the Prime 4 and the screen. And we're also getting the screen protector to protect your screen. It's nice and felt on one side. It's like a hard plastic on the other. Getting some more software download instructions, engine prime instructions, safety information, and again, that's that quick start guide. Now, nothing left but the controller. Alright, this is it, the Denon Prime 4. Really heavy controller, really big controller, nice and wide, so that way you have nice separation between your different controls. You have some metal reinforcements in here, but it is a mostly plastic construction. Lots of inputs and output options, including that cool zone output where you can actually have a different setup playing on one set of speakers than your normal. You have your cool angled style screen. You have all 4 of your channels of connectivity here. You have a slot on the back for your hard drive. Many different USB slots, so that way you can connect all of your media without using this with the computer. So we're going to do a really deep dive on this controller or the standalone unit as soon as possible. We'll have that review ready for you guys within the next couple of weeks, so make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys keep it locked, and as always, thanks for watching.